How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find who does not follow you on Instagram. Open up your Instagram app and then simply head over to your profile section at the bottom right. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the following option right here to show all of your following list. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to see all of the people that you follow. Well, so what you're gonna have to do is select a person to see if they are following you or not. To tap on the three lines, but before that, you can also sort this by tapping on this default option and the arrow option. Here you can select from earliest or latest. So let's just select earliest. And here you'll be able to see the earliest people that you follow. So if I just tap on this option right here on the three lines right besides message, here you can get an option to see the shared activity. Tap on it. Here on shared activity, as you can see here, both of these profiles follow each other. So in order to see if someone doesn't follow you, tap on the three lines and you can click on it. Then click on see shared activity. And as you can see, this profile does not follow me. So what I'm going to do is tap on this following, and now you have unfollowed it. So if you want to follow back, you could do that, but they don't follow me, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to do the same for this as well here. So I'm going to tap on it, see shared activity, and it doesn't follow me. So I'm going to tap on following button to unfollow them. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.